Meet Mithali Raj, the first Indian woman to score 6,000 runs in international cricket. Mithali Raj, a trailblazer in Indian women's cricket, achieved this feat in 2018. Her incredible journey began when she made her international debut in 1999. The right-handed batter from Hyderabad, India, has been an inspiration to many young cricketers. Mithali's impressive career spans over 2 decades, with a remarkable record of 577 runs in 232 matches. She has also led the Indian women's team to several victories, earning her the title of captain. Mithali's dedication to the sport is unmatched, and her achievements serve as a testament to her hard work. But what makes Mithali's record even more impressive is her ability to adapt to different playing conditions. She has played in various formats, including test matches, one-day internationals, and 2020 internationals. Mithali's incredible run-making skills have earned her a place in the ICC Women's ODI Team of the Year. Her impressive performance has also caught the attention of international cricket boards. In 2019, the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, appointed Mithali as the captain of the Indian women's team. But that's not the only record she holds. Mithali is also the highest run scorer in women's international cricket. This achievement is a testament to her remarkable skills and dedication to the sport. Mithali's impressive record has inspired many young cricketers to take up the sport. Her remarkable journey serves as a source of motivation for aspiring cricketers. However, what's equally impressive is the support Mithali has received from her family and coaches. Mithali's parents, Doraiswamy and Leela Raj, have been her biggest supporters throughout her career. They encouraged her to pursue her passion for cricket, even when it was considered a male-dominated sport. Mithali's coaches, including her father, have played a significant role in shaping her cricketing skills. But that's not the only thing that sets Mithali apart. She is also a talented writer. Mithali has written several articles on cricket and has even penned a book on her experiences. Her writing serves as a source of inspiration for young cricketers and provides valuable insights into the world of cricket. But what's next for Mithali? Will she continue to break records and inspire generations to come? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: Mithali Raj is a cricketing legend. Her incredible journey has inspired many, and her records will continue to awe fans for years to come. Mithali's legacy extends beyond her cricketing skills. She has inspired countless young girls to take up the sport. Her remarkable story serves as a reminder that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. But what's truly remarkable is the impact Mithali has had on the sport of cricket. Her contributions have paved the way for future generations of female cricketers. Mithali's influence extends beyond the cricket field. She has become a role model for young girls worldwide. Her inspiring story has captured the hearts of many, and her records will continue to inspire fans for years to come. In conclusion, Mithali Raj is a cricketing legend whose remarkable journey has inspired countless young cricketers. Her incredible records and dedication to the sport make her a true icon in the world of cricket. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want to learn more about the world of cricket? Check out our other videos for more exciting content. Join us next time as we explore more amazing stories from the world of sports. Join us next time for more incredible stories from the world of sports.